Today I'm showing you my dirty drawers. My vanity drawers, that is. So I'm planning to go ahead and get deep cleaning, spring cleaning, all of that in my master bathroom and my bedroom this week because I've not felt great for the last few days and I'm feeling like amazing today. Now, if you cannot do this, don't stress about it. Do the level that you can. Always remember that you have to do things at your level, at your timing. Don't compare yourself to others. I get stuck in that all of the time. And so, you know, have forgiveness. When you're having a good day, maximize it if you need to, and then give yourself love on the days that you can't. Clearly, this is going to take more than the 15 minutes that I give myself for FlyLady. So, I'm going to be breaking the rules. Are you a rebel? I am. If I have a day that I'm feeling good and I want to knock out a bunch, I go with my flow. And on the days that I'm a little less motivated, I stick to that 15 minutes that I've scheduled in my plan. So don't get rigid. Be flexible. Go with your body. Ebbs and flows. We'll still get it done as long as you stay consistently at that low point that keeps things maintained. I love the FlyLady, and I do clean my bathroom, I promise, but looking at this, you would totally think that I never, ever clean my bathroom. So it's just important to know that bathrooms are just one of those rooms. They get dirty all the time, no matter what. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just remember that and get it as clean as you can while you've got the time.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking.
Why is it so hard to let go of these color palettes? They're probably things that I got for free or cheap with a coupon, and I have better options, and yet I keep holding on to these. Why? I do not know.
We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Can I get a hands up if you are like me and you just throw your brush or your makeup back in the drawer and you don't always put it in the right place? You guys, I hate this, but it feels so good too. You know what I mean? So I got a ton done today, but I didn't get as much cleaning as I was hoping to get done. But these drawers look so good, and I'm proud of myself because I did it. And you should be proud of whatever little bits that you are able to get done. If today is the day that you knocked it out of the park, then hooray. But if today is like my Monday was, and you barely opened the drawer and got 5 things out, that is 5 more things that you have done than you would have done if you weren't doing FlyLady. You know what I mean? Day 2 is all about the spring cleaning. So I am using my spring cleaning checklist, and that is just a list that I have come up with that I'm gonna keep in my control journal that just helps me remember some of the things that maybe I don't always get to when I'm zone cleaning as well. So today I'm expecting a long, hard day of work, but it's going to feel so good to get this bathroom cleaned up. When you're sick and the whole house had the flu, it feels good to get everything sanitized. So this week I basically have just had Tuesday through Friday, because y'all know I don't do stuff like this on the weekends, but I had Tuesday through Friday to really deep clean, and I really am motivated. The weather has gotten beautiful here. We have been in the cold, brisk, rainy, gray season here in Tennessee, and every now and then we'd have like one nicer day, but yesterday and today it's legit 60s and 70s and sunny, and yes, there's some wind, but it changes my attitude. I am very much affected by the weather, and so having this break in the weather makes me want to get up and tackle everything. Are you guys like that? Like, cabin fever is a real thing. So let me know in the comments, has the flu hit your family yet this year? And don't you just want to clean everything when you've got someone that's had the flu, because the whole house feels grimy and yucky? You guys, this feels so good. Like, I have an addictive personality. I completely know this about myself, but it can be a curse for sure, but it also can be a pro. And one time that I really appreciated is when I'm cleaning, because if I can ever get up and get started, the endorphins rush in and I see progress and it feels good and I want to keep doing it, which is amazing most of the time. The struggle is that I also can very much focus on one task at a time and ignore everything else. Like ignore the fact that there are people starving in my house wanting dinner. Ignore the fact that I am still deep cleaning my bathroom and it is 10 o'clock at night because we had to stop and go to church and I wanted to finish before I get to bed. Are you guys thinking that I'm nuts yet? Because I think I am. So, day 3, I am excited because I should finish up my master bathroom. I got the 2 half baths. We're gonna get the kids to take care of the upstairs bath and I'll do the final touches, but I'm feeling good today and there's so much to do. So, let me just tell y'all, waking up and having all of this sparkly clean and that shower looking so amazing really put me in the best mood. I did so much yesterday and I feel so good, but the little water closet I did not even walk into yesterday, so I've got to do everything in there, and I have so many cobwebs up on the ceiling. We have that textured ceiling that I hate, but it gets all kinds of cobwebs. Hey Siri, how to clean exhaust fan light?
I found this on the web.
Woke up this morning with just the best attitude. The birds were chirping. We actually slept with a window open last night, which is amazing because Friday and Saturday they were calling for snow and now it's 68 degrees outside, supposed to get up in the 70s. So I am all about taking advantage of this beautiful weather. So that came off a lot easier than I expected. So I'm gonna go ahead and just suction out what I can, sweep it off, and then clean that light, and it's gonna make a huge difference. In case no one has told you today, I think you are amazing, you're awesome, you're beautiful, and you can do whatever you put your mind to it. So don't let small obstacles be the reason that you never start. Did y'all see all of that mess? And I'm sure, like, I feel like it's coming down off my hat. But this is what, well, this is what it looked like from below, but all of that is what I've been looking at and been wanting to get to for the longest. So I brought it here in the kitchen. I have a deeper, easier sink, plus I just needed to get out of there and breathe some fresh air for a minute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that was this easy, because in my mind I thought you had to be an electrician to do this, and clearly it took a screwdriver, just pushing that lever, came right off. There you go. Oh my gosh, I am amazed. Look, it's white. It barely took water to get that clean. It was just dust and dead bugs. I feel so good about this. This just justified everything that I've ever cleaned in my entire life. I'm loving this. Guys, if you are looking up and seeing bugs up in your vents and in your light fixtures and stuff like that, don't be afraid to just Google how to do it. Like, I've been waiting for my husband to have time to do this. It clearly took me less time, like a lot less time, to do it myself than it takes to clean my tub. It's crazy. That feels so good. I'm so satisfied right now. So now that we've got something pretty and clean ready to go up, I'm going to put this up. I always like to start at the top and work my way down when I'm deep cleaning. So guys, I've had an amazingly productive day, and I'm just sitting here reflecting and kind of getting my thoughts together, and it came to me, I'm a rebel. Like, I really am, because so many of the things that the FlyLady people preach, I don't get on board with, and I still think FlyLady is amazing, but I truly believe that it is meant for us to take and use as we please. And one of those things is the concept of spring cleaning. All right, guys, in case anybody hasn't told you, you are amazing, and I'm so thankful that we have become friends. I will see y'all in a few days. Bye.
Gaze upon the sky.